Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Mozasoft. So friends, today I will tell you why Moza software is advantageous and beneficial for you and your business. Please watch our video till end. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. So let's start the video friends. When you come early in the morning in your shop, what you will do first? You pray, and after that you will update the current price of gold and silver on your rate board. That same feature we have in a software called as dashboard. Yes friends, once you will update the rate of current gold and silver in a dashboard, it will automatically change in the whole software. You don't have to change it again and again during your billing process. Yes friends, you don't have to change it again. Then we will go on counter. Below that you are able to see the sale. Here you are able to manage your invoice bills. On approval, here you are able to manage your quotation, which we call estimate bills, and then you will find the list of both the bills. URD, which we called mode, are old gold and old silver. URD with GST, on approval URD without GST are unregistered gold and their list. After that, customer party. If the customer is new, you can add it from here. Then you are able to find the list of all the customers here, and their udhari management you can do it from here. Items. How much items present in your shop, plus they are in stock or sold, you will find it from here, and their list. Jhangad management. Yes friends, we have Jhangad management also in our software. In how much gold came, their list, how much gold go out from your shop to the another shop, and their list. So let's go on reminder. First magic of a software. Here you will set a reminder of that customer from which you have to take your pending payments. What you do is you just have to select the date when he or she will give you pending payments and the details of that customer. Our software will automatically give you alarm on that day that you have to take this much of amount from this person. And then list, here you are able to see the list of reminders you have set. Then Jamauda, which we call Jama Nave, and credit debit. The second magic of our software. You are able to see friends, we haven't changed your business language. What you do is you just fold a page. One side you manage your credit calculation and the other side you manage your debit calculations. Basically, there is a little bit difference between theory and practical part, but in a software there is a zero difference between theory and practical. Yes friends, there is a zero difference between theory and practical. You don't need to do the calculation will be done by itself only. So friends, this is also act as a time saver for you friends. And then we will go on the third magic of a software called as Rosemail, Roker, or which we called as daily closing. How much time you want to take friends for your daily closing? 30 minutes, 25 minutes. But if I will tell you, you just need 10 minutes for your daily closing. Yes friends, if you will use a software, you will be able to do your daily closing within 10 minutes. What you have to do is just enter the opening cash. Closing cash will come by itself only. You just count the current cash present in your counter and enter it at the actual cash. Your daily closing will be done. Yes friends, it's very easy. I hope you like our software friends. Again we will go on sales. We just need to do the double click. Then you're able to see the yellow box friends. From drop down list we will select the customer. If the customer is regular, their details will come automatically, but if the customer is new, you have to add it from the add new. But now for an example we will take Sapna Sharma. See the highlighted amount 13,108. It means that Sapna Sharma have to give their pending payment, which is 13,108. Then we will go on item code. Here you have to scan the barcode of the of that ornament, but if you don't want to scan it, you can easily put it also. For example, now I am putting ch8 and just enter it, so you are able to see the information of chain 916 came automatically. If you want to change the gross weight, you can change it from here only. For example, this is 9, but I have to change it. I can do it, 9. You can change the quantity, number of pieces also, making rates and making rates. For example, now it is 400, but I have to make this 300. Enter. You are able to see making rates changes from 400 to 300, friends. Then we will go on the third magic of a software called as stone details. If the ornament is holding any stone, for example gemstone, diamond stone, you can manage it from here. Other charges, for example your polish charge, hallmarking charge, you can manage it from here. Alter item, how much time you take for doing this alteration? 10 minutes, 5 minutes, but you can do it within 3 or 4 minutes. Current weight is given, you just have to add the new weight and hit the save button. Then we will go on bargaining. Mostly it happens when customer came, they will bargain with you. They need the ornament which is of 50,000, or she will said we want it in 48,000, 49,000. So at that time you will recognize it, you are in profit or loss. But if you will use a software, you will able to know how much in profit or how much in loss. Then we will go on labels. So in labels, you are able to do your barcoding. Items. Here you are able to do the barcoding of single items. Set pairs. Here you are able to do the barcoding of set pairs, for example bangles and earrings. So during the barcoding of set pairs, you need two HUID. So here you are able to do the barcoding. Now we will go on the seventh magic of a software called as discount. Here you are able to give the discount on the net amount. Now we will go on labels. Here you are able to do the barcoding of the ornaments. Items. You are able to do the barcoding of single items from here. If the ornaments are in pairs or set, for example are bangles and earrings, so you can do the barcoding from here. Bulk, which we also called as money. The ornaments which is very small, we are not able to do the barcoding of that ornament. So what we can do it, we just take a box and put the ornament in that box and do the barcoding of that box. So you can do it from this. Bulk, add to bulk. If you want to refill that box, you can do it from here. Add to bulk list, you can see how much money you are added from here only. Untagging, sometimes it's happened you do the wrong tagging of some ornaments, so you can untag it from here. We will go on untag, we just reset and search. So for example, now I want to untag the chain CH12. You can do the untagging of a single ornament also and more than one also. For example, now I'm doing CH12 or ladies ring 18. Now what I have to do is just select the untag region from drop down list, for example wrong tagging, and hit the untag button. Items untagged successfully. See friends how easy it is. After that you are able to find the list of the ornaments which you have untagged. You can update your money and their details from here only. Here you are able to find the prints of all the reports. Lot. What is lot prints? Imagine you take 200 chains and do the weight of that chain and give it to a salesperson and said do the barcoding of that chains. So it's normal when friends after the barcoding there is a difference between the chain, so you can manage it from here. Now we will go on reports. List of customers, plain ornaments which is not barcoded, labels, the ornaments which are barcoded you're able to find here, running stock which is labeled, sales item wise and their summary you're able to find it here, purchase item wise and their summary you're able to find it here. Less payment. What is less payment, friends? Sometimes it's happened. Customer came in your shop. He or she buy the ornaments which is 51,000 and they will give you 50,000 only. That 1,000 you are able to manage it here in the less payment. Reports of income expenses. Jama Nave you are able to manage it here. Now we will go on GST. Here you're able to manage GST reports sales wise, GST reports purchase wise, and GST reports URD wise. Friends, what you have to do is you just need to take out the print of the reports and give it to your accountant. Here you are saving time plus accountant fee, friends. Everything is happening on just one click. It's so simple and easy, friends. I hope you like our software and thank you for watching this video.